Yo, what's up everybody? It's Your Name. And we're diving headfirst into the future. Buckle up because 2025 is bringing some seriously sleek electric cars to the table, and trust me, you don't want to be left in the dust. We're talking next level tech, insane performance and designs that'll make your jaw drop. Electric vehicles have gone from being a niche curiosity to a full-blown revolution right before our eyes. Range anxiety, a thing of the past. Charging infrastructure popping up faster than you can say lithium-ion. The competition is fierce, and that's great news for us because it means automakers are pushing the boundaries further than ever before. So, whether you're an EV enthusiast or just starting to consider joining the electric revolution, this is your one-stop shop for the hottest EVs hitting the streets in 2025. We're breaking down the top contenders, the game changers, the ones to watch. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with a familiar face, the Tesla Model S Plaid. This wouldn't be a top EV list without Tesla making an appearance, right? The Model S has been holding down the fort for years, constantly evolving and pushing the boundaries of what an electric car can be. For 2025, Tesla hasn't just rested on its laurels, we're talking about refinements across the board. The design, while still recognizably Model S, gets some subtle tweaks to improve aerodynamics even further, squeezing every last mile out of that battery pack. Speaking of the battery, the Plaid is still the range king, boasting some serious mileage that puts most gas guzzlers to shame. But it's not just about how far it goes, it's how fast it gets you there. The tri-motor setup delivers ludicrous acceleration, and I mean that literally. Tesla's Plaid badge is reserved for only the most insanely quick cars they make. And then there's autopilot. Love it or hate it, Tesla's advanced driver assistance system continues to evolve, with new features and improvements constantly rolling out. Whether it's navigating traffic on the highway or helping you park in a tight spot, autopilot is a big part of the Tesla experience. But the Model S Plaid isn't just about tech and performance, it's also about that minimalist, tech-forward interior that Tesla is known for. The massive touchscreen is still the centerpiece, controlling everything from climate control to navigation. And with over-the-air updates, the car you buy today will continue to get better over time. Tesla has set a high bar, but the competition isn't standing still. Can the Model S Plaid maintain its dominance in 2025? We'll have to see. All right, time to switch gears and head off the beaten path with the Rivian R1T. This all-electric pickup truck is here to prove that going green doesn't mean sacrificing capability or adventure. The R1T is designed for those who crave the open road, or maybe just the road less traveled. What sets the R1T apart is its unique blend of ruggedness and refinement. It's got the ground clearance and off-road chops to tackle tough terrain. But it's also packed with technology and luxurious touches that make it a joy to drive on a daily basis. Plus, that electric powertrain means instant torque for conquering steep hills and rocky trails. But the R1T isn't just about brute force. It's got some clever tricks up its sleeve, like a gear tunnel that runs the width of the truck bed, providing extra storage space for all your gear. And if you need even more room, the R1T can tow up to 11,000 pounds, so you can bring your toys along for the ride. Inside, the R1T's cabin is surprisingly spacious and well-appointed. You won't find any cheap plastics here. Rivian has gone for a more premium feel with sustainable materials and a focus on functionality. And of course, there's a large touchscreen display that controls all the truck's functions, from navigation to off-road settings. The Rivian R1T is a breath of fresh air in the pickup truck segment, proving that electric powertrains can handle even the toughest jobs. It's a truck for those who want it all. Capability, sustainability, and a touch of luxury. Keep an eye on this one, folks. It's going to be a game changer. Chapter 3. Lucid Air, Luxury, Redefined for the Electric Age. Now let's talk luxury. And when it comes to electric luxury, the Lucid Air is in a league of its own. This is a car that's designed to compete with the best from Mercedes, BMW, and Audi. But the Air isn't just about traditional luxury, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in an electric car. First and foremost, the Lucid Air is stunning to look at. It's got a sleek, aerodynamic design that just screams premium, but the real beauty is in the details. From the flush door handles to the full-length glass roof, every inch of this car exudes sophistication. But the Air isn't just about looks, it's packing some serious performance under the hood, or should I say, under the floor. The top-of-the-line Dream Edition boasts over 1,000 horsepower and a range that's absolutely mind-blowing. We're talking about a car that can go from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds and still drive over 500 miles on a single charge. Step inside the Air, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that's unlike anything else you've ever seen in a car. It's spacious, airy, and packed with technology. The massive curved display that spans the entire dashboard is a work of art, and the materials used throughout are top-notch. The Lucid Air is a statement car. It's for those who want the best of the best, and they're not afraid to show it. It's a car that's as much about making a statement as it is about getting from A to B, and with its combination of luxury, performance and range, the Air is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Chapter 4, Ford Mustang Mach-E, electrifying an icon. All right, let's talk about a car that's bringing electric power to the masses, the Ford Mustang Mach-E. Now, I know what you're thinking, a Mustang SUV? That's sacrilege, but hear me out. The Mach-E is a bold move by Ford, and it's paying off. The Mach-E takes the iconic Mustang styling cues and translates them into a modern all-electric SUV, and you know what? It works. The Mach-E is a head-turner with its long hood, sloping roofline, and aggressive front grille. It's a Mustang through and through, just reimagined for the electric age. But the Mach-E isn't just about looks, it's also got the performance to back it up. The GT Performance Edition packs over 480 horsepower and can go from 0 to 60 in a blistering 3.5 seconds. That's proper sports car territory, folks. And then there's the range. The Mach-E offers up to 305 miles of range on a single charge, which is more than enough for most people's daily needs. Plus, with Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving technology, you can relax and let the car do the driving on long stretches of highway. The Ford Mustang Mach-E is a game changer. It's an electric car that's appealing to a wide range of buyers, from performance enthusiasts to families looking for a practical and stylish SUV. And with its competitive price point, the Mach-E is making electric cars more accessible than ever before. Chapter 5. Porsche Taycan, the electric sports car that handles like a dream. Last but not least, let's talk about the car that's setting the benchmark for electric sports cars, the Porsche Taycan. This is a car that's designed to thrill with its lightning-fast acceleration, razor-sharp handling, and unmistakable Porsche DNA. The Taycan is a head-turner with its sleek aerodynamic design that's both modern and instantly recognizable as a Porsche. But the real magic happens when you get behind the wheel. The Taycan is an absolute blast to drive, with its instant torque, precise steering, and a soundtrack that's unlike anything else on the road. And then there's the performance. The Taycan Turbo S can go from 0 to 60 in a mind-bending 2.6 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars ever made. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The Taycan handles like a dream with its low center of gravity and advanced suspension system. But the Taycan isn't just about performance, it's also a surprisingly practical car. With its spacious interior, comfortable ride, and a range that's more than enough for most people's daily needs. Plus, with its fast-charging capabilities, you can add miles of range in just a matter of minutes. The Porsche Taycan is a game-changer. It's an electric car that proves that performance and sustainability can go hand in hand. It's a car that's as thrilling to drive as it is to look at, and it's sure to set the standard for electric sports cars for years to come. So there you have it, folks, 5 of the most exciting electric cars hitting the streets in 2025. From the performance-focused Tesla Model S Plaid to the luxurious Lucid Air and the adventurous Rivian R1T, there's an EV out there for everyone. And with the Ford Mustang Mach-E and the Porsche Taycan, we're seeing legacy automakers step up their game and deliver truly compelling electric vehicles. The electric revolution is here, and it's only getting more exciting. With advancements in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and autonomous driving, the future of mobility is looking brighter than ever. I want to hear from you. Which of these electric cars gets you the most hyped? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe.